This is the Battle of the Techs in Calgary, Alberta, with two teams competing to see who can build the engine with a successful startup the fastest. The winning team after 2 days of competition is the one with the fastest time. So right now we're just checking out the engine rebuild competition. It's kind of who's the fastest and assembles it correctly, and of course they have to start it up, make sure it actually runs. So they're just getting ready for the next rebuild. As you can see, everything on the table is nicely laid out, and the engine blocks on the stands, and a team of 2 for each rebuild. So it's going to start here shortly, and whoever is the quickest, as I already mentioned, and the engine actually starts up successfully, will be the winner of this competition here. So we're just about ready for the next competition here. You see a team on each side. There's the engine block on the stand, and then all the parts and tools are on the table. So it's a team of 2 people on each side, and whoever assembles it first, the fastest and correctly, of course, so the engine starts up, will be the winner of this competition. So it's going to start here momentarily.
This is the just over here behind us. Coach Brownhouse has provided small walking core tools, some screens, some half-inch transportation by main sockets, extension, ratchet, speed handling.
May I ask you a question? Did you say they're students or just finished?
They're engineers who've got their range ready.
They what?
They're engineers who've been to university after 4 years. They have their engineering range.
Okay. And engineering for rebuilding engines, or?
No, they're engineers. I forget what their discipline is, but they both have just got their engineering range.
Okay.
So they've never done this before. Like this year, they come to us last year and said they'd like to try it. So we got to go over to the shop about a month ago or so and have them put it together a couple times. You try it apart, lube everything, put it back together, so try everything. They've never done that before.
Oh, I thought I was under the impression they're actually car mechanics, engine builders.
Not these two.
Not these two.
The other guys is from SciAst.
Yeah.
2 young fellas that just finished are homeschool kids.
Yeah.
Yep. One's 15, one's 13.
Wow.
The tall one was 13, the short one was 15.
Yeah.
Those are grade 12. 2 grade 12 students that'll be up after this group.
Oh, excellent.
And I think the girl is 17 and the boy is 18. So
Yeah. Do they travel then around, or just kind of a one-off?
These are all from down here.
They're all from town here.
A couple of years ago, we had a couple of Saskatoon come.
Yeah.
Got 15-year-old, 17-year-old brothers. They destroyed everybody here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they got into it when they were 11 and 13.
Oh, okay.
And they're just little short guys.
And working together as a team, they could probably do it in their sleep. Yeah.
Well, even last weekend in Saskatoon Dragons, we do this as well with 3 engines.
Yeah.
And their dad and I challenged those 2 boys. They destroyed us. We were at 12 minutes and they were at 8.
Wow.
Yeah. On one side of me and one on the side of his dad.
Yeah.
Doing push-ups and burpees while we're waiting for us to work.
Just to rub it in, huh?
Somebody got it on video. I got it.
Excellent.
Well, the show was 22 points with 9 up top. 5 minutes. And these two are the ones that stuck it out. David, the one on average, about 12:35 is their fastest. Setting up. They're doing very well at the beginning of the race. It's been a question. Sometimes you gotta slow down and play out to shoot up. If you hustle too much, you're gonna trip over your own selves and drop over and pick things up twice. Pick up tools, these kind of times. These kind of times, we actually had a record the same day in practice. It's been a 15 years old. The 2 runs back to that and say now you go as possible and if you're very consistent. So we get a 14 in there. The things these guys yesterday, teachers recommend
Same layout all the time.
Charles Glenn and
That's why it's into this wall, 10, 11, 12 is real easy. And if you have experience and you do it 2 or 3 years in a row, they'll be into the 8s. After doing about 15, 16 minutes for myself. Yeah.
The only one you give up for 4 minutes ahead of their yesterday run.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Go! 10 minutes 33 as their practice run their best build down last night. They had the mission wire the other way and they're
Got it going there real good. I seen it once.
so far they're 1.5 off their so far.
It looks like they're a blue team, I guess, and let's just say blue team because of the blue engine block. Looks like they're getting a little bit ahead here. There we go. They're already trying to stop. There we go. Success. So their time stops. So now we're here, the red team. Again, I say red because of the red engine block. They are trying to get it completed as quick as they can. Is there going to be a
Tomorrow's the finals.
the finals?
Today we set them up like now we're looking to see, we'll put the fastest guys with the fastest ones and try to make them as close as possible.
Yeah.
And sometimes what happens there is we'll get a team that was like 11 minutes yesterday, all of a sudden pull off a 9:20 or something.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yep, it just everything comes together. All the butterflies are gone. And,
Yeah.
Yep.
And they had the
Made
practice.
all the mistakes before.
Yeah. Learn from it, obviously. Sleep over it overnight. And
Hey. And even as myself, when I build something and I go
well, sometimes when you lay down, then your brain has quiet time.
Yep.
It has time to reflect and
go back to the shop and check.
yeah.
When you're working with 2 of you, sometimes you're talking to the other one, you get this, you get that. That really keeps it going good.
Yes. Yes.
It slows you down. Okay, you got that, I got this. You got that, I got this. Let's go.
You have to be a team and pretty much like you know what your partner is doing, yeah, without asking just about. They are just about ready here too. The other team did it under 10 minutes. I think it was 9:48 or something like that. And these ones probably around, I don't know, 12, 13 minutes, just as a guess. Battery is connected. And let's see if this starts up. Here we go. Moment of truth. There we go. I guess. All good.